What's up, guys? This is like kita ka. We're out here in the BGC. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. We're out here, guys. We're out here. Look, look, look. Hey, BGC. Hindi lang kita, guys. Yeah. Here you go. And see you again later, Migs. Alright. Yo.
Hey, hello.
Hey, yo. We are now here in BGC.
My land?
Yeah. So guys, we're done eating and look. Is it good? Good, good, good. Tao, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of people here.
Guys, important announcement. May pusada na. May pusada na. Ayun na.
So yan, may kisali po sila ng jogging,
go.
guys. So ito nyo naman, tumatakbo sila, guys. Look at them, look. So ang agenda namin yun, guys, mag-mover kami. Mag-mover kami. Mover guys, mover. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Let's try this.
Huh? Hindi.
Hey!
Hey!
Dito kami sa Uptown. Dito kami sa Uptown, malapit sa The Palace. Actually, pupunta kami ng Yes Please. Nang naka-mover. Alam mo yun. So, nandito na tayo sa Jollibee. Kakatapos lang po natin sa Yes Please. Ayan.
How would you rate?
Yeah, I like it. Masaya, guys. It's very fun.
Yeah, we're like really enjoying the vibe, the view, and yeah, the chaotic scene here. Look,
Traffic, guys. It's very traffic. Kahit pedestrian ka, mata-traffic na rin. Actually, pwede na tayo tumawid kanina.
so
yun,
how's the
guys.
mover?
Mover was great.
Yeah.
It was so great. Nagka-utang tayo ng 15 pesos.
Wait,
15 pesos. Ano. Utang tayo. It was that good.
ikaw. So nagkaroon po sila ng utang, guys, na 15 pesos.
Nag-enjoy ka na,
So, yeah. Bayad na.
Hindi pa, ayoko muna bayaran.
Kaya parang ayaw muna bayaran.
300 plus 15 pesos na.